Last video we have been discussing about how to identify support and resistance levels in the theoretical part. So this video will be clearly explain you how you need to use the key levels in the practical manner in the real-time charts. Okay, so I'm at the MT4 platform. Okay, you could see it, and I'm trading in Euro USD chart. Okay, so you could see the real-time chart. Okay, so I just want you to review what is support and resistance levels. Okay, so before getting into the practical part, I just want you to know the definitions about support and resistance levels. Okay, so basically these levels are where the prices tend to stop, okay, and reversing in the direction. So just imagine this line, which is the price, which is moving at a point, it is stopping there and it is reversing in the direction. Same happens here. Price is coming down, stopping, reversing, stopping, reversing, stopping, reversing, stopping, reversing. So basically the point where it is stopping and it is reversing, those levels are the support and resistance. So the highest point of the price, which is stopping here, this level is resistance, which is denoted as R. Same as here, this is the lowest point of the price where it is stopping and reversing. So what is this level? Of course, it is the support level. Okay, so what is the logic behind these levels? Very simple. Support level where the lot of buyers enters here. Okay, which means demand exceeding the supply. There are a lot of demand here. Okay, there are a lot of buyers will be waiting for here, and they just wanted to move the market into higher. So where is the trading level? It is the which is trading at 2 point. Let's say this is trading at the level of 1.2800. So this level where the buyers will be lot more demand, okay, so that they can fill their pockets and they can move the market into the uptrend. Same thing here. What is the logic in the resistance level? As you know, there are a lot of sellers are waiting here, right? There are a lot of sellers are waiting here, which is supply exceeding the demand. Okay, so let's say this is trading at the level of 1.2850. So there are a lot of sellers are waiting for this level so that they can move the market into the downwards. Okay, so supply exceeding the demand. So this is how the market is trading. Let's draw in the real-time charts and I'll explain you how you need to do it. Okay, I'm just picking out the horizontal level, okay, horizontal line in the toolbar, and I'll just put it like this. If you want to move this, just double click and you can just move it. Same thing as support. Okay, and just double click, you can just move it like this. So you may ask, why you're drawing a support level at this point? Why can't you draw it here, or why can't you draw it at here? So what is the reason? Very simple. See, support and resistance levels are the levels which is the lot of test it is taking, okay, where the price is testing lot of levels. See, for example, support is testing 1 time here, 2 time, 3 time, and 4 time, right? So where the levels are testing so many, okay, 1, 2, 3, more than 3 times, then it is more reliable. So I don't consider this level because it's not reliable. It's only touching at 1 time. I'm not going to consider this level because it is touching at only 2 times. So this level is more reliable for me because it is touching at 4 times. Okay, same as here in the resistance level. So why you're not drawing at this level? Why you're not drawing at this particular level? So you can just ask me why you're not drawing it. Because as you all know that this is more reliable for me. So 1, okay, so 2, 3. So 3 times it is touching. So I don't think this is reliable. Not even this. This level is more reliable because these are touching 3 times. So that makes so much sense for me. So that I'm using that level. Okay, so you may notice that, okay, market is coming at the lowest point. See, market is moving here, lowest point. It is touching at here. Here there are a lot of buyers. Okay, the logic is there. Here there are a lot of demand exceeding the supply, moving the market up, coming down, moving up, okay, coming down again, moving up, coming down and moving up. See how it goes. Okay, this total level is in the consolidation phase, which means the price is moving in the sideways. Okay, there are a lot of battle between the buyers and the sellers. Okay, you could just see how they are moving the prices, right? So this is how it trades on. Okay, then how you need to put your 3 key things, which is, you all know the key things, which is entry, Okay, entry, you can put it as buy or sell, whichever you would like to do it. Then stop loss, okay, SL, then take profit. So these are the three key market execution levels that you should know how to place it. Okay, for example, if you want to ride this trend, you think this is going up, okay, so I just wanted to buy here, so this will be your entry level. All right, so this will be your entry level. So you have been press the button of buy order, so you have been entered here. So where you need to put your stop loss. So first of all, what do you mean by stop loss? It is just the price levels where you are protecting your money. Okay, so that you need to give some space for the stop loss, which means giving some room to go beyond the support level and bounce back up so that you can ride the trend. See, some peoples will put their stop loss here. What happens if you put your stop loss here? Prices comes here, it hits your stop loss, yeah, it hits your stop loss and go beyond it, yeah, and then it goes up, right? So what happened here? You're losing your money. Okay, your prediction is right, but your stop loss level is wrong, so that you're losing your money. So that what you need to do, give some space here. Okay, so what is my suggestion is that just erase these things. Okay, so what is my suggestion is that give some space. So if your entry is here, put your stop loss at here, okay, which may be like 15 to 20 pips away from the entry. So put your stop loss here so that you are giving some room for the price to come down beyond your support, and it's not touching your stop loss, it is moving up, so you're making money over here. Do you understand it? Same as take profit. Okay, just put your take profit at the level of resistance level, so this is more reliable, right? So put your take profit here so that it can easily reach your take profit, right? So this is very simple things that you need to take note, and you need to practice it. Okay, so for one time it will never come, you need to practice more and more. Okay, then you can easily get it out. Then another concept I need to explain to you is that support can become resistance and resistance can become support. Okay, so let's take this as example. Okay, so I just remove these things. If you want to remove this, just double click it, right click, delete, double click, right click, delete. Okay, so just move the chart here. See what happened, these, you all know that this is the resistance level, right? So this resistance level, let me draw it, write it here, this is the resistance level. So market is coming up, it is moving down, it is, I mean, it's stopping here, it is reversing. These prices are, what is this happening here? It is breaking the level of resistance. Whenever the market is breaking the level of resistance, now it can become the support level. So what is this level is here? Absolutely right, this is the lowest point, which is the support level. So R is turning into S, yeah, so R level, which is turning into S, same as support level. Even the support level can turn into R level. Okay, so this is how it can move. Okay, do you understand it? So R is moving as support level, so you could see support level, support level, support level. Okay, now you can understand how it is moving out. Yeah, fine. So strong support, you know, which is turning into a new trend, strong resistance, which is turning into a new uptrend. See, this is the strong resistance level, which is now moving into an uptrend, right? So I mean, here it is not moving as a trend, it is a lot of consolidation here. You could see here a lot of consolidation, right? So market is going up, down, so there are a lot of consolidation over here. Do you understand it? Okay, so in this video I have been I don't want to prolong this video so long, that's why I have been exiting this video, because the more important concept I think I have been discussed to you. Okay, so in trading you just need to keep this in mind. In trading there is no guarantees. There is no guarantee. For example, you may think there is a guarantee that this may go up. No, there is no guarantee. Sometimes the market comes here, you'll be putting your entry here. What happened? It may even go beyond it, because there is no guarantee or there is no certainty. It's only probability. You're just seeing your strategy, how it is working, and you're just putting your orders. Yeah, so it is just the probability that it may go up or it may go down. So it's all about the probabilities. You need to keep that in mind. Okay, so If you don't know how to use this platform, okay, how to use these tools in the MT4 platform, comment it below. I'll try to make a video on how to work in MT4 platform. Okay, so I hope by listening to this practical real-time examples, I think you will be able to get the things how it works on. So just practice yourself. If you have any queries about this, comment it below. Thank you so much for listening. See you all in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.